How to get Perplexity Pro for free, Full Guide 2026. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Perplexity Pro for free using official and safe methods only. Let's get started. First, open the Perplexity AI website or app and create your account. Important truth. First, Perplexity Pro is a paid plan, around $20 a month, and there is no permanent free hack. But there are official free methods and promotions you can use. Method 1. Free trial promotions, best method. Sometimes Perplexity offers free trial, 1 month, limited time promotions. Just go to Upgrade Pro and check if a trial is available. Method 2, PayPal partner offers. Perplexity has offered free 1-year Pro plans through partners like PayPal or Venmo. You simply link your PayPal, activate the offer, get Pro access. Method 3, telecom and brand offers. Some users get free 1-year access through partnerships like telecom companies, device brands. For example, some mobile users received free Pro subscriptions through special deals. Method 4, student education access. Students or educators may get free access or discounted plans. You just need to verify your student email. Method 5, new account offers. Sometimes new users see special banners offering free Pro. So always create a fresh account, check dashboard for offers. Warning, very important. Avoid cracked accounts, shared logins, fake generators. These can ban your account, steal your data. Most of them don't work anymore. Bonus tip. Even without Pro, the free version of Perplexity is still powerful, so only upgrade if you really need advanced features. And that's it. Now you know how to get Perplexity Pro for free legally in 2026. Thanks.